Hi, this is Ross from Yard Lock. There's been a lot of questions about how the gate lock works. It's very simple, and today I'm going to show you how to use your gate lock. Once you've completed the installation and you programmed your code, on the outside of the gate, slide the weather cover down, put in your code, close it, open the box, and the gate automatically opens because it's releasing the latch on the inside through this cable. Now, if you want to lock the gate before you walk in, close it, scramble the lock, close the weatherproof cover, go in, and now the gate is locked. So if someone else is coming to try and get into your backyard, the lock is locked and the gate will not open. They would have to reach over. And that's what I'm going to show you now, because even if they do manage to reach over, they will not be able to open the lock from the inside. Now, I'm going to take you on the inside and show you how to get out of your backyard while this is still locked. Now, if someone was trying to reach over the gate and try and open the latch, it would be very difficult because we've provided this cover that goes over the latch that prevents people from trying to open it. Even with a little stick or a wire, it's virtually impossible. Now, for you to leave the backyard, it's very simple. The latch, a very common latch, you push it, the gate opens, you leave, and the gate lock is behind you.